Hello everyone, welcome to Excel World.
In this video, you are going to learn how to add a button which when clicked executes the macro. So let's get started. This you will do it in two ways. One, writing the macro as the button is being created. Two, write the macro in one step and then create a button in step 2 and then link the macro to the button in step 3. Let's start with the first method. We are going to use a macro that will apply the formatting to a cell that has the highest value in the range. The cell will have bold font with some interior color. The codes will have the following structure. We need a range where we are going to search the highest number. Then find out the highest value using the maximum function. We have to highlight the cell that contains this highest value, which is a little bit trickier. As we are not aware of its position, we have to write a code in such a way that it compares each cell value with the highest value. For this, we need to use the for loop and if logical statement. With these requirements in mind, let us build the macro using the first method. Click on the Developer tab, Insert, Command button, drag it to place the button. A window pops up. Name the macro as required. And click the New. This is where we are going to write the code to format the highest cell value. Let us write the code according to the structure that we defined earlier. First, define the range. You can either have a fixed range or a dynamic range. I am going to use a dynamic range where the end limit of the range is not predefined. The second step is to find out the maximum value in the range. Start with the variable and assign the expression. This line determines the maximum value and stores it in the variable. Next, we are going to loop through each cell of the range and compare it with the maximum value. Once the comparison result is true, we will change the font to bold and then color the interior. Close the loop. Declare all the variables. There is one more thing that need to be done. Let us do it after verifying the code. So go to the front end sheet and click anywhere on the sheet. Now click on the button. So you can see here 93 is the highest value and the cell value, and the cell is formatted with the bold font and the interior is filled with the color. Now let us modify the value to verify the result again. Click on the button. You can see that it is correctly highlighting the highest value, but the previous highest value also remains highlighted. This can be rectified by adding few lines of code that resets the formatting before highlighting the actual value. Go to the Visual Basic editor and reset the font and the color index. These lines of codes first resets the font color and the font bold. Then it determines the maximum value and then loops through each cell from the given range and identifies the maximum value and formats the cell. So let us verify this code again. Click on the button. Now you can see the formatting is clear and only the highest cell value is highlighted. Let us modify the value to reconfirm this. Click on the button. So it correctly highlights the highest value this time without the previous value being highlighted. In this first method, we created the button and along the way wrote the required macro. Suppose you have a button without any macro attached to it. For example, like this. So there are no macros in this, but you already have your set of codes in the module. So you can link the button and the macro by right clicking on the button and click on the assign macro option. Now as you know the macro which has to be linked, select from the list and click on OK. Now this has created a link between this button and the macro which is already written in the VBE. Let us verify this. Click on the button 2. You can see the same macro which was created during the button creation is now linked to this button also. If you also got the same answer, then please write yes in the comment box. In this video you learned how to add a button which when clicked executes the macro. If you like this video, press the like button and share it with your friends. If you want me to make video on any macros, please write it in the comment box so that I can make a video on that. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you get future updates, and also press the bell icon so that you get the notification before others. Thanks for watching.